Right then, let's have a chat about a brilliant little vegetable called okra. You might have seen these green finger-like pods at the market and wondered what they are all about. Well, I'm here to tell you that okra is an absolute superstar in the world of veggies. It's sometimes called lady's fingers, which is a lovely name, isn't it? This fantastic plant is not only delicious, but also packed full of goodness that will make you feel amazing. It's a real hero ingredient that has been loved in kitchens all over the world for centuries, from Africa to Asia and the American South. What's so special about okra, you ask? It's incredibly versatile, that's what. You can pop it into stews, curries, or even roast it until it's nice and crispy. Some people are a bit wary of its unique texture, which can get a little slimy if not cooked right, but don't let that put you off. When you know the tricks, it's a game changer. This little green pod is a wonderful way to add some exciting texture and a mild, lovely flavor to your meals. It's a fantastic vegetable for anyone looking to try something new and bring a bit of sunshine into their cooking. The best part is that okra is not just for expert chefs or seasoned gardeners. Oh no, not at all. It's for everyone. It's for you, your family, and your mates. Adding okra to your diet is a simple step towards a healthier lifestyle, and it opens up a whole new world of delicious recipes to explore. Think of it as a secret weapon in your kitchen arsenal, ready to make your dinners more interesting and nutritious. It's all about discovering these amazing ingredients that nature gives us and having a bit of fun with them in our own homes. So let's get excited about this humble green pod. It's more than just a vegetable. It's a little package of health, flavor, and history. We're going to dive into what makes okra a proper superfood, how you can grow it in your own backyard with no fuss at all, and some dead simple ways to cook it up for a lovely, jubbly meal. By the end of this, I promise you'll be looking at okra in a whole new light and be eager to give it a go. Let's get stuck in. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of why okra is such a powerhouse of nutrition. This vegetable is absolutely crammed with vitamins that your body will thank you for. It's got loads of vitamin C, which is brilliant for your immune system, helping you fight off those pesky colds and keeping you feeling on top form. It's also rich in vitamin K, a super vitamin that's essential for helping your blood clot properly and keeping your bones strong and healthy. Getting these vitamins from your food is so much better than relying on pills, and okra makes it easy and delicious. But wait, there's more. Okra is a fantastic source of something called folate, which is incredibly important, especially for mums-to-be, as it helps with healthy development. It's also packed with antioxidants, which are like little bodyguards for your cells, protecting them from damage. These antioxidants help fight inflammation and can reduce the risk of serious health problems. So every time you munch on some okra, you're not just eating a tasty veg, you're giving your body a powerful shield against all sorts of nasties. It's proper smart eating, that is. Let's talk about fiber, because okra is a champion in that department. It's full of both soluble and insoluble fiber, which work together to keep your digestive system happy and running smoothly. The fiber helps you feel full for longer, which is great if you're trying to manage your weight. It also helps to control blood sugar levels by slowing down how quickly sugar is absorbed from your gut. This makes okra a really clever choice for anyone wanting to maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. It's all about keeping things balanced and happy inside. And here's another brilliant thing about okra. That gel-like substance it's known for? It's actually a type of soluble fiber that can help lower your cholesterol. It works by binding with cholesterol in your digestive system so that it gets flushed out of your body instead of being absorbed. How amazing is that? So, by adding this wonderful vegetable to your meals, you're actively doing something great for your heart health. It's a simple, natural, and tasty way to look after yourself from the inside out. Beautiful. Right, you might be thinking that growing your own vegetables is a lot of hard work, but I'm here to tell you that growing okra is an absolute doddle. Honestly, it's one of the easiest things you can grow, especially if you have a nice sunny spot. Okra plants love the heat and sunshine, so they are perfect for growing during the warm summer months. You don't need a massive garden or an allotment. A simple pot on a sunny balcony or patio will do the trick just fine. It's all about giving it a go and watching the magic happen right outside your door. To get started, all you need are some okra seeds, a pot with good drainage, and some decent potting soil. You can sow the seeds directly into the pot once the weather is consistently warm, around late spring or early summer. Just pop a seed or two about an inch deep into the soil, give it a good water, and place the pot where it will get at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. The seeds will sprout pretty quickly, and before you know it, you'll see a sturdy little plant starting to grow. It's incredibly rewarding to see that first bit of green poke through the soil. The great thing about okra plants is that they are not very fussy. Just make sure you keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Give it a good drink whenever the top inch of soil feels dry. As the plant grows taller, it will start to produce beautiful, creamy yellow flowers that look a bit like hibiscus flowers. They are absolutely stunning. And right after the flower blooms and falls off, a tiny okra pod will start to form in its place. It happens so fast you'll be amazed. It's a fantastic project to do with the kids too. From planting the seed to picking your very first okra pod, the whole process can take as little as 2 months. That's super quick. The plants are quite tough and don't suffer from many pests or diseases, making them perfect for beginner gardeners. There's nothing quite like the feeling of harvesting vegetables that you've grown with your own 2 hands. It connects you to your food in a really special way, and trust me, homegrown okra just tastes better. It's fresher, more flavorful, and full of your own hard work and love. Harvesting your okra is just as easy as growing it, but timing is key. You want to pick the pods when they are young and tender. The perfect size is usually about 2 to 4 inches long, about the length of your finger. If you let them get too big, they can become tough and woody, and we don't want that. So, check your plants every day or 2 once they start producing, because those pods grow incredibly fast in the summer heat. Just use a pair of scissors or a small knife to snip the pod off the plant, leaving a little bit of the stem attached. Once you've got your beautiful, fresh okra, it's time for the fun part, cooking. One of the simplest and most delicious ways to prepare it is by roasting. Just toss the whole pods with a drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of salt, and maybe a bit of garlic powder or paprika. Spread them on a baking tray and roast them in a hot oven for about 15 to 20 minutes until they are slightly browned and a little bit crispy at the edges. Roasting gets rid of any sliminess and brings out a lovely nutty flavor. It's a fantastic healthy snack or a brilliant side dish. Another dead simple method is to slice the okra into little rounds and pan fry it. Heat a bit of oil in a skillet, throw in the okra, and cook it over medium-high heat until it's golden brown and tender. This is a great way to cook it quickly for a weeknight meal. You can add it to scrambled eggs for a nutritious breakfast, toss it with some corn and tomatoes for a lovely summer succotash, or stir it into a simple rice dish to bulk it up. The possibilities are endless, so have a play and see what you like best. So, there you have it. Okra is a true super veggie. It's brilliant for your health, a joy to grow, and so easy to cook. Don't be afraid to give this wonderful vegetable a try. Start with a simple roasting recipe and see how you like it. I promise that once you discover how delicious and versatile it can be, you'll be looking for more ways to get it onto your plate. Go on, get some okra in your life. You'll be so glad you did. Happy cooking!